Welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of La Casta cruise in Halong Bay. A lot of things happened in the part 1 of this video, and I can't wait to show more activity that we experienced on the cruise. And now we are at the nighttime and going to enjoy our fancy dinner courses provided on the cruise. 7 o'clock, dinner time, let's go eat. Oh my gosh, my jet lag and the meditation music before the dinner is putting me asleep. I can't stop yawning. A few courses, and this is the mushroom soup. Yeah? Maybe this will help to wake me up. Oh, I feel what you mean about the black peppers. It's strong, but not too bad. Little starch, deep fried, see you tomorrow mushroom. You must be thinking right now, Diana, what are you talking about? In China, enoki are sometimes known as see you tomorrow mushrooms because of their tendency to come out of the digestive process whole. Yep, it's not funny when you see it, but it's true. This dish is banana flour salad with chicken. This is a fancy dish. Different type of vegetables, veggies, shapes in a really interesting way. Really refreshing. This is our third course. It's Halong Bay squid with cheese bread. The meditation music started to become louder. The bread with the cheese is really interesting. It's like a custard flavor. Oh, slow down so you can see. The cheese is kind of scattered. It's a bit hard, but it's really, really sweet, like a custard taste. The second last course, which is the baked fish with smashed potatoes and vegetables. Oh, umami taste. It's quite soft, but nice. Finally, we came to our last dish, panna cotta with pineapple. Let's try the panna cotta first. Oh, they're kind of like a creme brulee.
Just like burnt sugar.
It's good.
The heat for everyone. Everything
Great, thank you.
Yeah, delicious. Yeah, everything is really delicious.
It's a fish cake.
Really, really good.
5, 10 out of 10.
Sauce is amazing.
And have to mention before that, we actually had a cooking masterclass.
Glass noodle.
Glass noodle.
Yeah. We have spring onion. Spring onion. And we have the prawn.
After seeing how chef did it, we all tried to do it on our own. While we were enjoying the fruits, the chef deep fried out the spring rolls.
Quiz. On behalf of our team, we're very happy to share for everyone.
After that, we went back to our cabin and immediately passed out on our bed. Yes, we missed the nice squid fishing activity provided by the cruise, but we were sleeping soundly in a plush bed with gentle rocking of the ship. One of the best sleeping experience ever happened to us. And plus, it helped me to make it to the second day 6:40 a.m. Tai Chi class. Just finished my Tai Chi class. It was pretty fast. It's like 15 minutes. But it's always nice to introduce to a new type of activities. That sounds really fun. It's kind of have a similar feeling of doing yoga. It's make you feel like strengthening your core muscle and straightening your spine, help you like keep a nice body posture in the morning, and also make you feel extremely calm. I don't think I'm gonna to do it as a hobby, but it's still really nice to have some exercise surrounding by beautiful view in Halong Bay. We have a really pretty packed schedule. So right now it's 7 o'clock and they already start to serving the breakfast buffet, and it's gonna be between 7 to 7:45. Let's try our omelette. That sounds pretty good. It's soft inside. It's really kind of like Chinese style. It's a little bit deep fried outside. All the water on the boat is charged except like 2 small bottles, but for breakfast they do have fresh squeezed watermelon juice and also orange juice. I like to put the vinegar into the Vietnamese soup. It tastes like a Russian soup now. They have deals and a lot of seafood like shrimps, squids, calamari, and fish skin, right? This is fish skin. Very interesting. Ah, it's dripping. I like just craving for all those croissants. It's actually really nice. It's really buttery. So buttery that after you're touching it, there's like butters on your fingers. Look at this. If you squeeze it, oh my god. That's how oily my hands are. After 3 days Asian food, he's like, I need croissant.
I need a taste of Vancouver.
From the breakfast, now I'm pregnant with omelets. Now we have 1.5 hours to relax and get packed before our luggages be picked up and loaded on the boat that will take us back to the shore. And soon after, we're sitting at the dining room again. Waiting for the last branch before we get out of the boat. Really well cooked, really soft and tender. The food is simple but really delightful. We're taking a boat and the boat will take us back to the city. And this is the end of the Halong Bay trip. It's so fast, it's only 24 hours. It says 2 days and night, but technically is we arrived at noon the first day and then we left the second day at noon, so it's 24 hours.
It was nice. I don't know if I'd come again anytime soon, maybe another 50 years, but it was enjoyable.
Yeah. I'll say we both think like if you want to enjoy Halong Bay a bit more, maybe book a longer day cruise if the budget allows. But after that, it was a really fun and interesting experience. Before I show you how we get to the airport, there are 3 tips we took away from our trip that I would like to share so that you can have a better experience on this cruise. Number 1, bring some drinking water on the boat. Casta only provides 2 small water bottles during the entire trip. You can buy other drinks too, but will double the price than what you can purchase in elsewhere. Number 2, book your transportation with the cruise company. Many cruise booking price does not include transportation cost. From Hanoi to Halong Bay, one way we booked a shuttle bus and it cost us 300k dong per person. And from Halong Bay to 𝐶𝐵 International Airport, the cheapest option is 4-seat private car, which is 1,900k dong. Different cruise companies offer different transportation costs, so make sure you double check the additional expense with their sales team before you book the cruise. Number 3, buy some cellular data if you want to enjoy the internet on the cruise. Casta provides free Wi-Fi, but the signal was really bad, and sometimes it doesn't even work. While we were on the cruise, we were heavily relying on our own cellular data. Alright, let's come back and finish the rest of our trip. We're back to Casta's reception and waiting for our luggages to be unloaded from the boat. Let's go to the 𝐶𝐵 airport. We captured a flash of the King Kong theme park, where a waterfall comes out from his mouth.
Oh no, I didn't even see it.
We arrived at 𝐶𝐵 International Airport, and inside the airport they're required to wear masks. We still have 5 hours before flight. Well, remember this moment. This is the last time where I see my jacket. And there's a story to tell in the next episode, so stay in tune. Of course, how can I miss the chance of having another cup of Vietnamese coffee? It's strong, and I ordered a 16 ounce. Uh-oh, we're gonna vibrating inside of the airport. We've been sitting in the airport for a few hours now, and we have next 2 hours? 3 hours.
Too long.
Too long to wait. But luckily they have a restaurant inside the airport that we can buy bunnies. Yay, look at this! Banh and avocado smoothies. The biggest difference I noticed between the banh mi in Vietnam and in Canada is our banh mi's in Vietnam has pate inside.
Not all of them.
Mostly of them have pate inside.
Also, the bread is much better. I think
Yes.
that's the main difference. It's a banh mi. It's Vietnamese bread. It's based off of the French baguette, but it's not French. It's lean you back.
Well, apparently you can get a massage chair. Oh Jesus, it feels so good. It's giving me hard. What is waiting for us next is a bustling city in Vietnam called Da Nang, known for its beautiful beaches, stunning mountain landscape, and vibrant culture. So make sure you subscribe this channel and not miss out our next exciting trip.